Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Tinder. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly delete Tinder matches. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Tinder on your device. And on the home page, tap the chat icon at the bottom right. Then tap a conversation. Here, tap the shield at the top right. You can either report the user and unmatch, or you can just unmatch. In this case, tap Unmatch only. And tap Yes, Unmatch. Once you do that, the person will not be able to send you messages. You can repeat the process for other matches as well. And that's how you quickly delete Tinder matches. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.